In today's video, I'll show you the settings where you can change the color of the social media icons in the footer section of the Shopify Horizon theme. As you can see in this example, the social media icons are displayed in red, but for this example, it's changed up to gray color. At first, log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're in the Shopify dashboard, on the left side of the screen, under Sales Channels, click on the Online Store. Then look for your current theme, Micah's Horizon, and then select Edit Theme. Once the theme editor loads, at top left corner, make sure the Sections tab is selected. Under Footer, expand Utilities, and then select Social Media Links block. On the right side of the screen, under Appearance, click on Color. For this example, let me select gray color, and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, allow a few minutes for them to update, then go back to your website and try refreshing it. Okay, let's scroll all the way down. As you can see, the social media icons are now in different color. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.